Hi everyone, welcome to 810 Adventures. We are settled in Orlando Thousand Trails, a couple weeks, and we'll see how it goes. It is Thursday morning, about 6:30. I'm taking out the trash and taking a Pokemon walk.
Take me anywhere that you want. I don't even care if we come back again. And as long as the stars are shining above us, then I just wanna be where you are. I don't wanna close my eyes, then I might miss a moment of you. And as long as
Alright, the trash is taken out and now I'm headed down to the lake.
shines upon us, and I just wanna be where you are. 'Cause with you I feel no fear, and when you hold me all my wounds are healed. When I'm with you I feel safe. There is no pretending, no need to escape. And I know I just wanna be where you are. I know everything has an end, and I know that we are not getting any younger. But as long as there is time, I will walk beside you. 'Cause I just wanna be where you are.
Looks like I was close to making it down here by myself.
'Cause with you I feel no fear, and when you hold me all my wounds are healed. When I'm with you I feel safe. There is no pretending, no need to escape. Then I know I just wanna be where you
It is super peaceful to just sit here and watch the sunrise and listen to the nature. I would sit on these benches, but they're wet. Next time I'm gonna bring my Kindle and a towel. That way I can sit and read. during the winter, this Thousand Trails escorts you to an open place. And when we were being escorted on Monday morning, the guy in the golf cart went the wrong way down this do not enter. I didn't even notice because I was literally only paying attention to following the RV, but it's funny.
All my wounds are healed. When I'm with you, I feel safe. There is no pretending, no need.
You'll see why he went down this way.
And I know I
Our
just
site's right over there.
you are.
It is Saturday morning, a very cold Saturday morning in Florida. We have a high of 55 today. It's about 30 something right now outside. I'm actually celebrating my birthday this weekend, which was on January 3rd, but we were getting ready to head on a trip. So we decided to delay the celebration. So the first thing I'm doing today is I'm gonna go find a bowling alley and I'm gonna go check it out. I have 2 bowling balls at home, which I meant to bring, but I forgot. I've been bowling since I was a kid. I've taken a long break from it now, but I definitely want to get back into it. So I'm gonna go check out a pro shop, see what kind of balls they have and shoes and like drilling options and all that, and maybe go bowling today or tomorrow, we'll see. So we'll check out the adventures as I go driving around this morning. Mind you, it's about 8 a.m. The kids and Kevin are not up yet, and I'm just gonna go enjoy some alone time and check out what's around here. It's so cold, I feel like I'm crazy for being out here on the water, but it's still beautiful. All right, I'm gonna finish up my Pokemon in and then head over to a bowling alley. All right, I made it to the bowling alley. Time to use their bathroom and check out what they have.
Feel no fear, and when you hold me, all my wounds are healed.
All right, no worries. That was definitely the smallest bowling alley I've ever seen. I didn't even see how many lanes it was, but it was less than 20. They don't have a pro shop. They, I think they were having a league play right now. They did have bathrooms, so that was amazing. So a gentleman in there told me that there's a pro shop that he goes to in Apopka on 436. So I'm gonna check the map on that. Either that, I'm gonna go to AMF in Kissimmee. No big deal. I'm not even worried about it. They were just open first, but it was literally the smallest place I've ever seen in my life. All right, now I made it to Bolero in Apopka. Let's go see what they have to offer. Here is a little backstory on me. I've enjoyed the sport of bowling since I was probably about 8 years old. This is because my grandmother on my dad's side took me, my brother, and our 2 cousins bowling as we grew up. We bowled in leagues and just for fun. I've carried the passion into adulthood. I've bowled on many leagues throughout my bowling career. I've bowled in Michigan most of the time, went to the state tournament many years. When Kevin and I moved to Florida in 2012, I forgot to bring my bowling equipment with me. I guess you could say that the hobby was left in the basement of my first purchased home as I made a new chapter in my life. Kevin was very aware of my passion for bowling and encouraged me to get a new bowling ball after we moved to Florida. I enjoyed bowling on a league in Palm Bay for many years while living in Florida. We lived in Florida for 6 years and moved back to Michigan so the kiddos could have a relationship with their grandparents and other family members. Now that we are on the road, I meant to bring my bowling equipment with me. I will say that I forgot it due to how busy we were before we left Michigan with all the holidays we hosted and whatnot. My birthday was the day before we left on our RV trip, and we agreed as a family to wait and officially celebrate it until we were settled in Florida. I decided to celebrate my birthday January 13th through the 16th and took advantage of the long weekend and holiday. One of the things that made my birthday so special this year was the fact that even though I forgot my equipment, I went outside of my comfort zone, found a pro shop in Central Florida, and bought a new ball, bag, and shoes as a happy belated birthday to me. I want to give a huge shout out to the pro shop in Apopka, Florida at the Bolero Bowling Alley. He did an amazing job with the drilling and fitment. He also gave me a free game to test out his work, and it was a great place to bowl too. Here's some footage of my first couple of days with the new equipment.
First time back with 157.
All right, well, that was a lot of fun. I got myself a travel ball, bag, and shoes. I bowled a 157, which is literally like my average. I got a 13-pound Rhino ball with a hook and fingertips. So I will 10 out of 10 recommend Bolero of Apopka, Florida. We're headed to Disney Springs.
That means we're almost there.
Going to get some food and walk around. It's kind of chilly out there, as I previously stated. Yeah. You guys excited? Hi.
Give it to me, I'll put it out broad. They're dancing now, like, can you see her? Look over there.
Well, people think that the wishes come true, and then they're actually just giving money away.
Yep. It is Sunday morning. I have been out and about since about 8 o'clock this morning, and right now it is 8:30. Grabbed a little breakfast, did some Pokemoning. My original plan was to go back to that really small bowling alley and play some games, but I forgot that on Sunday they do not open until 11 a.m. So I think I'm just gonna get back to the RV, maybe edit some video, and then get out bowling at 11.
To escape, and I know
Yesterday at Disney Springs, we promised Aaliyah a donut, and then we ran out of time, so I'm here. Thankfully, I didn't forget this morning to get donuts. That's all I have for this video. You'll see me in the next one.